I'm Sanket, analytics professional, and in today's episode, my friend Ria and I will be talking about the sexiness and the slog of being a data scientist. In the last episode, we talked about how data scientist has been named the sexiest job of the 21st century, but that's just a small preview of what data science can do. But being a data scientist doesn't come easy, and there is slog involved. A lot of different roles to be played and avatars to shuffle between. We'll show you some of the avatars. This might be closer to what you had in mind for what a data scientist looks like. But do you know what we do? Data scientists have to identify the right data and the right sources of data. So we understand the idea of garbage in means garbage out. Data scientists spend tedious time collecting, curating, storing, cleaning, processing data, even though it may be boring and repetitive. For me personally, downstream visualization, analysis, and model building are the most interesting parts of my job. Sometimes we have to break down old patterns of data and build new ones by going back to the drawing board, correcting months of work. But that's the best part. My collaboration avatar is my favorite because it allows me to work with teams of experts or problem-solving teams and develops the domain expertise to do my job better. Data scientists must make sure their data is reproducible and can be understood and used by someone in their absence. After all, who wants to create something standalone? We want to create building blocks on which skyscrapers will be built as an assignment progresses. And so there is a large amount of foresight required. Thus, they must also create standards for the organizations they work for. Lastly, data scientists have to develop a constant thirst for meaningful data and the vision to create something groundbreaking with it. So do you see how many avatars data scientists truly have? Now that you know what a data scientist essentially does, watch the next episode to hear some of the myths about them and the profession being debunked.